Welcome, a very special state of the Escritoire. Today we've got a grail acquisition. Oh, man, oh man. Okay, so nothing outward on the box. Let's see, there we go. Oh, that's more like it. Wow. My gosh, guys, this is a grail. This is the Mag 600. This is the Mag 600 in a special limited edition. Oof. Magna Carta. They didn't actually put anything on there. That's funny. That's okay as long as the pen's good. And this is straight from Goulet pens, so I know this is legit. This is actually a special limited edition run for Goulet pens. It's hefty. I like it. It reminds me of the Vacuumatics or the Visconti Wall Streets. This is cool. Check out the engraving right there. They've got their seal. And they've got their full title there, Magna Carta. Anywhere else? Nope, just the stamping up there. Look at that beautiful blue. Let's go ahead and look at that nib. Let's go ahead and look under the hood. Oop, looks like the converter's just kind of rattling around in there. Okay. It's good there. All the resin, that's seated well, so all the resin looks nice. Wow, I can't wait to try this. So this is going to go... This is supposed to be like the closest thing to a vintage flex that you can get. All right, now this Mag 600, Magna Carta Mag 600, full flex pen, this is going to be in good company because I also have 3 Superflex Vintage, a 1918 Wall. We've got a 1920s Echo, that's Eggins and Hambler. And then we've got a 1930s maybe Todd Swan. And all 3 of these are Superflex to compare this to. So these are actual vintage pens that we will be comparing what is trying to achieve this same feel. In addition to that, I've got a pimped out 743 as well, a Falcon Pilot. So this is a aftermarket ebonite double slit feed with the Falcon nib on a 743. So this is Japan's kind of full-on flex pen. So we've got Japan, India, and then England or American vintage Superflexes all here, 5 Superflexes. I can't wait to kind of delve into the rabbit hole with you on why I love flex pens, and then I get to compare these 2 pens to their vintage counterparts, and then I can also compare the 2 best modern flex pens on the market today and give you my thoughts there. So I'm really excited. I can't wait to go ahead and juice this up and get going. This is going to be awesome. And this is Colorverse. This was Blue Dragon. It's very soft and bouncy. I haven't even really experimented with the actual flex component too much yet. I'm just kind of doing our initial break-in here. It's very comfortable to write, that's for sure. Oh, wow, look at that. I just started to go for a flex there. Wow. Never occurred to me how close some of my Z's can look to a Y, but that is still a Z. Wow, very nice flex. I'm going to test out some of the flex capabilities here. Beautiful. Look at that S, nice line variation. This is a lovely writer. Very, very nice, soft, bouncy. Let's try some of that line variation now. Wow, look at that. Good line variation. Lovely. Still keeping up just fine. Lovely. This is a beautiful writer. I'm going to very much enjoy this. 1, 2. That should be plenty. So the swatch is still drying, but you can see the actual writing is dry. So this is a deep blue with a vivid red sheen. When the light hits it right, almost the entirety of it has that red sheen. This is going to be so fun, and I will bring you on that journey and compare it to other awesome flex pens along the way. Thank you for watching today's State of the Escritoire.